Welcome to Kindergarten Readers Theater. Hi boys and girls, we're going to get together and practice our reading fluency by doing a fun activity. It's called Readers Theater. Yay, silent cheer! Readers Theater is a fun way to practice reading. So let's talk about how we're going to do that today. We're going to be practicing two different plays. So we're going to break into two different groups. You have two teachers here, so half of you will work with Mrs. Leonard, half of you will work with Mrs. Martell. One group is going to practice Readers Theater about butterflies, and the other about the earth train, and that has to do with the rainforest. So let's get started. First, your teacher is going to hand you a script, and you will notice that one of the parts has been highlighted in yellow. That's going to be your part. So write your name on your script and get out a yellow crayon or a highlighter, whatever your teacher gives you, and highlight all of your lines. Remember, only your lines. This will help you with your reading. Now that your lines have been highlighted, you're ready to break into your groups. Mrs. Martell's group will stay in her room, and Mrs. Leonard's group will go across the hall with Mrs. Leonard into the meeting room. That way you can practice your plays without the other group hearing you. Get ready to have fun practicing your reading fluency with your group. You're going to practice reading your lines 3 or 4 or 5 times. Your teacher will tell you if you should practice with a small group or just with a partner. This is going to be a fun way to practice your lines. When you guys are ready, you'll all get together in a group with Mrs. Martell or Mrs. Leonard and read through the script together. It's going to be fun to hear and to practice fluent reading. When you are ready, you're going to get to perform your Readers Theater in front of the other part of your group. So Mrs. Martell's group will perform for Mrs. Leonard's, and Mrs. Leonard's will perform for Mrs. Martell's. If you want, you can make a headband or a necklace to show your part. It's going to be a lot of fun. Let's record it on the iPad so everyone can see it.